Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate Google Forms. Duplicating Google Forms is a convenient way to reuse an existing form without having to create it from scratch. This is especially useful if you need to make multiple versions of the same form or build on a previously created form. And here's how you can easily duplicate a Google form. Just follow these few simple steps. First step is to open the Google form you want to duplicate. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com, click on it, and click on the website workspace.google.com/product/forms. And here, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, open the form you want to duplicate. For example, I'm just gonna choose this one right here. Now the second step is to duplicate the form. Now in the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots that says more options. Now here, select from the drop down menu, select make a copy. Now for the third step, rename and save the duplicated form. A new copy of the form will appear. Rename it to match your needs and save it to the appropriate folder. Now the form will contain all the questions, answers and settings from the original. As you can see here, this is the copy of the form. Click on make copy. And here it appears the copy of the form you just created. And now you can modify it or make any unnecessary changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your Google form is now duplicated and ready for use. Duplicating a Google form allows for easy reuse of forms without needing to start over. Whether you're creating multiple forms with similar questions or just need a backup, this process streamlines forms management, and once duplicated, you can easily customize the form to meet your needs, making it a powerful tool for repetitive tasks. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.